Welcome to this BDCOM GPON configuration tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to configure the MTU on a BDCOM GPON OLT and a connected SFU-type ONU using CLI. Let's start by logging into your GPON OLT using console, SSH, or Telnet access. Once logged in, enter Global Configuration Mode to begin the configuration process. Step 1. Configure MTU on the OLT. Execute the command system MTU followed by the MTU size. Set the MTU value according to your network requirements. The maximum MTU value for the OLT is 9,212 bytes. If you only want to increase the MTU on the OLT, this is the only configuration you need. Step 2. Apply MTU settings in the ONU profile. In GPON OLTs, when using profile-based ONU provisioning, ensure that the profile includes the correct MTU value. Use the command GPON profile ONU_NTU 1996. Where MTU 1996 is the profile name. Then set the MTU value with the command GPON profile max frame size 1996, where 1996 is the desired MTU value. The maximum MTU value for ONU interfaces is 1996 bytes, and the default is 1518 bytes. Step 3. Configure MTU on the ONU LLID interface. Navigate to the ONU interface and assign the MTU profile. To access the interface of the ONU, use the command interface GPON 0/1 is to 1. Here, GPON 011 refers to the number 1 ONU of GPON port 1. You need to set your desired ONU interface. Then assign the MTU UNI profile to the ONU interface using the command GPON ONU UNI1 UNI profile MTU 1996. Here, UNI1 refers to LAN port 1 of the SFU-type ONU. Configuration is now complete. To verify the configuration, execute the command show system MTU. After setting the MTU on both the OLT and the ONU, save the configurations to make the changes permanent, even after a reboot. That's it! You've successfully configured the MTU on both the BDCOM GPON OLT and the SFU ONU. For more tutorials, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your questions in the comments below.